I wrote this book here also with a friend of mine, Donald Trump. I know some people hate him, some people love him, and some people don't give a shit. Thank you. This guy is an asshole. But he's a good guy. He is a man's man. My wife loves him. You know, and he's a man's man. He talks, what he says to guys, he says in front of women too, which drives prissy women crazy, but my wife's been hanging around me for years. She doesn't give a shit, you know. But I worked with the Donald for 8 years. We're supposed to write our third book. This is the second book. He's going to write the third book. And he says, I'm sorry, I'm running for president. So I said, good luck, I'll stand far away from you because someone's going to shoot you, you know. Because the Donald is the Donald. There's no two Donalds. He is the Donald. He's an asshole. He says what he wants to say. I love him for that. I mean, I don't agree with him. But anyway, he's a great guy.